Hi, my name is Matt Weisman. I am a regional manager in northeastern Massachusetts for Indus. I'm coming to you today from the town of Andover on a beautiful, slightly overcast early November morning. We are about a half hour north of Boston, right off of Route 93. So we are performing some crack sealing work for the town of Andover. The street list that Andover has selected is a combination of some standalone crack seal streets, so streets that are in pretty good shape, don't really need any other treatment to them right now. And we're also working on some prep work for microsurfacing work that that is scheduled to be completed next year. Crack sealing in general is one of the more cost-effective treatments that Indus provides. It's very important to keep water out of the base of your roads. Water in the base of your roads can lead to much more severe and costly distresses in your street, so it's important to stop that before it occurs. So for a relatively low cost and low impact, crack sealing can extend the life of your road by a few years, and it's very efficient. The type of material we're using today is PCRM. PCRM stands for Polymer Crumb Rubber Modified. It is the type of material that is used by many municipalities and state DOTs in New England. It's the material that Indus typically recommends, one of the reasons being that it stands up very well to the harsh New England weather. Our crack sealing schedule typically goes from early to mid-April to around Thanksgiving, so we are starting to wrap up our crack sealing work for the year. But it's never too early to start planning your pavement management plans for next year. So if you'd like to find out more about PCRM crack sealing or any of the other treatments that Indus provides, I'd be happy to meet with you and explain some of the ways that we can help better your road network. So my contact information is on the bottom of the screen. Feel free to reach out to me anytime, call, text, or email. Be very happy to meet with you. The number is 781-952-8148, and my email is matt.weisman@indusinc.com. Thanks very much. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye.